I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Optima cabin filter. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, and empty the glove box. Lower the glove box stops to expose the filter housing and remove the old filter. Note the airflow arrow, clean the housing of debris, insert the new filter with correct orientation, restore the glove box stops, and run the fan to verify improved airflow. Gather the filter designed for your Optima and basic tools before starting to avoid delays. A screwdriver and flashlight help access tight spaces, while a soft brush or vacuum cleans sediment. Gloves keep hands clean, and a damp cloth removes stubborn dust. Keep parts organized on a cloth so screws and stops are easy to find. Having everything ready makes the swap quick and minimizes frustration during reassembly. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support future DIY content. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a witty, straightforward book that can change how you think about money and planning for garage projects. It pairs well with saving for car maintenance or that next tool purchase. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work calmly through each step to avoid forcing clips or damaging the glove box. Remove the old filter slowly so trapped dust doesn't scatter into the cabin, and use the flashlight to inspect the housing. If you see mold, stop and clean thoroughly before inserting the new filter. Align the airflow arrow correctly, secure the glove box stops, and run the blower to confirm proper operation and noticeably fresher cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.